Yeah, we should be back now. You are live. Wait.
There you go.
No, it's old.
Oh. That's old?
Well, it says now we should be back. There, we should be
Hello.
back now.
Hello.
I don't know what happened.
Brian forgot to pay the bill.
Nah, we paid the bill. I don't know what happened. Bad connection. I don't know. But yeah, buying a load. Yeah.
Hey,
You know,
Globe.
That's the great thing here with the internet and the internet service here. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad.
Yeah.
But we never really have too much of a problem until the evening. A bird landed on the wire. Could be.
You never know.
You know, you always see sparks sometimes. You know, like last night I was sitting outside and it got really windy here, and I was looking down the road and I seen these sparks starting to fly and stuff. So obviously there's a loose wire somewhere down the road, and but didn't see the electric company come out to check it, so it probably went unfixed. We are back.
We use PLDT. Oh, okay. They said PLDT is good. I'm not sure. A lot of people complain it. There are some people also is good. I don't know. We use Conclark.
You know what, Bruce? My standard answer now is starting to be, it is what it is. You can't change it. It is what it is. That's like the market, walking around. You know, those that never been here don't know what it's like. You know, when it comes to markets and the open air markets and the food and the fish, and you know, no gloves being worn, no hairnets being worn. You know, everything just sitting out. You know, you're getting flies and stuff. You know, not swarms of flies on stuff, but you know, you get flies on things. I mean, it is what it is. That's the Philippines. That's how the markets here are.
It's a Jeffrey happier. I see Brian a lot, but they ain't moving. We're moving.
We're moving. Are we
Hello,
moving?
Jeffrey. Are we moving? S.
Kevin, send me a message through my Facebook page, and I'll send you the address to the store. And
Hello, ni Ida
we hope it gets here.
Hello, Aling Luisa. Hello, Miss Ida.
Look, why can't gays get married in your country? Don't know.
That's kasi our government and religion is like
Religion.
they went together. The other religion were against it.
Yeah, because
Which is in
religion.
US, religion and the government were separated.
Right.
Which is us is a one combined. So the religion against it, the government can do nothing about it.
Yeah, religion plays a major role in
Yes.
politics here. Food pot at the wet market is usually eaten the same day. Cooking get rid of. Yeah, you're right, Wally. Cooking gets rid of everything. Now we buy, and Lut takes it home, separates it, and then throws it in the freezer. You know, and then we get it out as we need it and thaw it out and cook it. What time do you open your closings? And you're sorry store?
I open at like 6:40. But I always close this time like early, Monday to Friday, because she was in school. I need to wake up early. I need to cook her lunch and everything. We need to send her in school.
So you're open from like 7 to 8.
Yeah, kinda.
And then weekends longer.
And weekend, open early, but I close late. Mark, okay, that's where we get sick. Yeah, you're right, Mark. What kind of potato chips they got there? They have like VCAT and like we have potato chips. Chips like potato. It's just different name, different brand. Robin Gallia. Hi, how are you? To hello, Mr. Robin. From Vancouver, it's 6:36 p.m. Oh, it's afternoon. Oh yeah. No, because 6:36 p.m. over there. Oh, 9:26 p.m. in Ottawa. Yeah, we're good to set because we're separate. If morning there, it's gonna be night over there. Speed up. Never had any problem buying at the market. You always know what smells bad. Yep, you're right, Mr. Speed up. Mystic Traveler. Mystic Traveler. Hello, Brian and Lot. Hello, Mystic Traveler. Ruby nervous? Hi, Brian.
Hello, Ruby Narvats.
Hello,
That's how you
Ruby.
pronounce it. Kevin Riverland. Yeah, we have, I mean, we don't sell American candies here in the store, but there are American candies. 7-Eleven carries them. Your big grocery stores will carry them. Yeah, there is American candy here. And they're always, well, they're going to be more expensive. But, you know, it's big. A lot of Hershey products are very big here.
Mr. Robin Narvas. Hi, Miss Lot. Hello, Mr. Robin Narvas.
Mystic Traveler. The rain today. There is no rain today. It's kind of overcast. That's what it seems like. What's happening is the sun has been out throughout the day here, and then come the evening time, clouds will roll in, get some, you know, get some more rain in the evening. But like today's just cloudy, and the humidity's not bad.
Donna Castro. Hello, Kuya Brian.
How long a ride is it to Manila from here? JG, it is...
Depends on the traffic.
Depends on the traffic. That's the big thing right there. We get on the highway here, and it's a pretty straight shot down to Manila, but once you get down around Quezon City there, the traffic just backs up. I've learned if you're going to travel down and around Manila for anything, try to do it in the middle of the night. You got another monsoon coming at you in a few days. All right, I'll have to check it out. I didn't hear anything about it.
George.
DJ about Grab business. I don't know. Is it a good thing? I don't know.
What, Grab?
Starting Grab.
Actually, this time, because my the kids down there, that's supposed to be his plan. But there's a lot of person who's lining up for it. Like, they can give slot by slot.
I think
You need to register it, or
there has to be slots.
Yeah.
Like they, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, but they give slots. Like anybody, not anybody can just go up and say, "Oh, I want to, you know, start doing Grab." They only allow so many, from my understanding. Like I said, I could be wrong, but I would say if you do something like that, I don't know if, like, I wouldn't be the driver. I would maybe start something like that and get a Filipino driver, because I don't know. That's how I would do it.
It's Micro Brian like peppermints. Yes, he loves peppermints. Christopher Donna, do you guys even miss the US? I miss US. I miss the winter. Oh no, not winter. I miss the spring, fall, and summer. Yeah, you need to travel like a night, because at night there's no traffic.
Yeah.
Or else like early in the morning.
Brian rode by the shop. Yeah. We're up at 5 a.m. now, but we don't get here till, well, Lut doesn't get here till
7.
about 6:45, 7 o'clock.
Yes, Mr. George. I don't know about New York because I never been there. We just like drove there, but we never stayed there. But I know traffic in Manila is so gross. Because last time I went there, it's like I already sleep. When I woke up, we're still in the middle. I sleep for 2 hours and then I woke up, we're still in the middle in Manila. We're not moving.
Yeah.
Jeezy, froze up.
Froze up. Hide the mirrors. Rooster in Subic, lots of steak there. The others, I think Subic have a lot of seafoods. I don't know. Never really went to the market there.
Yeah, we never went to the market in Subic yet. We drove there, right? Yeah, we drove there, but we don't go walk.
Yeah, New York traffic is crazy, but Manila traffic is insane. You got that right. I think they said Manila traffic is like one of the worst traffics in the world.
Not bad for Joseph.
Nah. Well, see, Joseph lives down there, and Joseph kind of knows his way around. Though he's gotten lost, I've seen a few times. And he don't mind it. Like, he doesn't mind driving in that mess. And I guess if you drive in there every day, you kind of get used to it. Sort of like driving up here. You just kind of get used to it. But it's not near as bad up here in Angeles City, the traffic, as it is in Manila.
You don't post your Facebook page. I think you
Philly
did.
in the Philippines. Philly in the Philippines is a Facebook page.
Yeah, I think he have that. Like Philly in the Philippines is his Facebook page. Fill up.
It's a Facebook page.
Things are so expensive in America for us. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it is expensive to America to retire.
Are you near? Are we near Northville 15?
Northville 15.
Here in Angeles City. You know where that is?
Angeles City, are you? No. I'm not sure where is Northville 15, but I think I see that already.
When you open a bank account in dollars in the Philippines, can you withdraw money from other branches or other cities?
Yes.
Yes, you can, but you're not going to get U.S. dollars. You're going to get pesos. So whatever the rate is for the bank, that's what you're going to get in pesos. They don't distribute U.S. currency out of the Mac machines. I always go to the bank, my BPI bank, and I'll withdraw U.S. currency, and I won't exchange it there because their rates are a little less than on the street. And then I go to one, or we go to one exchange person all the time, and they have very good rates. But yeah, you won't get U.S. dollars out of a Mac machine.
How is that? Oh.
You know what, Murray, you're right. And here's another thing. When you go somewhere, a bank, wherever you go, first of all, you got to go through the traffic. And then when you get there, you sit there and wait. Like, a simple bank trip can turn into like an hour and a half. Because things move at a slower rate. Let's just put it that way.
There's a lot of apartment over here and everything is available. All you do is just walk and find it.
Yeah.
Pedro Rodriguez, have you been tried scuba diving?
No, I've never tried
But
it. No.
we were going to try it with my brother because for sure he knows it.
Yeah. Dana's son, is that how you say it? CC girl has a boyfriend.
Our fiance.
And the other one has a fiance, so...
Richard Burke. Hello to both of you. Richard from Florida and Maricel. She's from... Where the heck it is?
He withdrew his message, retracted. California loves Lut. Wow.
Oh! I love California too. I love Hollywood.
Look, his name is...
Good Miguel.
Good Miguel.
Good Miguel, you get the same name with my brother.
Yeah, is that Miguel?
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
he was.
Yeah.
You should be try scuba diving. Yes, we were going to try, but I would like to have him a very personal trainer, which is my brother. Because I know he did that.
Yeah.
That is sad. Oh, no, that's not legal here.
No, it's not legal here.
Kevin Revlon. Oh.
What about Western Union? Is that good to exchange money? I don't know.
No.
No.
I'm not going to
And
there.
I'll tell you what happened to someone that I knew. He had money sent to him, correct? He had money sent to him through Western Union. He went to one Western Union and he asked him what their exchange rate was for the money. And they gave him an exchange rate and he said, no, he goes, I think I'll get it better. He went to another Western Union and they gave him a different exchange rate. So Western Union sets that exchange rate. So something funny was going on there. They were going to, one place was going to give him less than the other place, which I don't know. Like I said, I thought Western Union has a set exchange rate and you can't make it up as you go if you're a worker there.
Yes, Brian Lent. The streets of MacArthur Highway from your street to McDonald's seems to have much traffic in the morning. Actually, not in the morning. It's like rush hour, like lunch. Wala na akong bigas lang. Ubus na.
What's the next challenge coming? I don't know.
No clue.
No clue.
Because I want challenge, like I'm very challenged in it. Because most of the time I eat a lot, I like different kind of things. I'm not picky. Except one thing. The worm. When is the next challenge?
You just asked that.
Oh, yeah. Hello, I'm Brian saying hello from Virginia Beach, Virginia. Hello.
Hello,
How
hello.
can you see this? Brocolem 33? I'm not sure.
Alright, I think we're going to end this one. We try to keep them around 45 minutes or so, give or take. But anyways, you know what, guys? Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching the videos and giving the positive comments. And you know, we enjoy doing it, and you know, keeps me busy throughout the day. And but yeah, we're gonna call this one. And like I said, thanks for stopping in. Look, you have anything to say?
Oh, thank you for stopping in. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe. Give some thumbs up, thumbs down. Choice is always yours. Till next time, till next live. I'm still thinking of my new YouTube channel, but I told him I think I can't do that.
Yeah. She's practicing though.
Yeah, I'm still practicing. I'm not a good talker when it comes to camera.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you later.